welcome back to the Lad Racing YouTube channel. You guys are probably thinking, what in the world? Why so much content the past few weeks? Well, truth being said, I've been unsupervised for 3 weeks. My family's been gone on vacation. I've been home alone, so what else to do? Work on a race car. Today's the end of the content. Well, I won't say the end, but it's probably going to start slowing down here. One, family's coming back today. And two, we're going to start running out of things to do on Intimidator here until we get some funds built back up. I've got those old headers. Get my finger pointed the right way. Those headers are sold, so that issue is solved. The next issue that we're going to run into is, we find them over here. We're going to utilize these brand new headers that are still in the box. They've been out of the box 3 or 4 times, but I have tried them and they haven't worked on nothing yet. This car looks like they'd work better on, but I got to do some modifications to the steering and some of the bars on the front to make it work. So that's going to be a project. I'm not going to fight with getting everything set up for that until we get all that back together. We still got to order the O-rings and all that for this little contraption. Need to probably get a new throwout bearing too. But that's kind of where we're at right now. We're going to start stripping the front end down to where we can get in and actually see what's going on it. I'll actually show you guys the front bumper. I can tell you it's been used, but we're going to start buckling down. We got a whole bunch of pop rivets to get it. Well, not really a lot of pop rivets, but we're going to take this apart piece by piece so we have templates to make more. And we'll talk about what our plans are for next year, as far as what we're planning on doing with the car to get it ready and what we're probably race at. So stick around, we'll get busy. So guys, it looks like we have gone modified mode with Intimidator. Kind of neat. See some of these old stickers. You got an old Coleman sticker, Moroso, Impact. I don't know the other ones, but got some cool ones over here. The other side, let's check this out. Oh, what do you know? Something else I noticed, the body lines are different on this side than they are over on the passenger side. But you guys were hearing me talk about how the front bumper was used up. Well, you get in here and see a bunch of bent up bars, some bubblegum welds. I will say this sucker is set up to take some abuse, but I think it's done met its match. So we need to take all that off and redo all the bumper, bars, this bar here and one straight across over there. They're probably going to have to be moved to make room for the headers. Either way, I know the steering shaft over here will have to be moved to make room for the headers, one way or the other. What I'm kind of thinking is changing the car up from being all black, with the exception of the hood up yonder. But think about changing it up. We're probably gonna paint all this once I get done in here. But think about doing a white front end on it. And kind of doing a two-tone type of look on the side, incorporating a white and a black. Of course, we're going to leave the interior red. I like the red interior; it kind of sticks out. What do you think we ought to do? So I'm thinking, because we got plenty of white sheet metal back there to do the front end, make it look nice. Of course, we'll have to get a new nose, but that's not a big deal. Obviously, we're doing the bumper. Who knows what else we're going to end up doing. We got sharp edges like this all over the car, not just on the front end. Underneath, there's sharp edges. There's a lot we can do to improve this car over the winter time. Well, over the rest of the summer into the winter, and have a nice car coming out on the track next year. Comment below what you guys think we ought to do as far as paint. I'm kind of up on the wall about what to do. It's going to have to be sanded and painted because I don't know how well you guys can see it. There's a lot of rough spots. It's hard to see if you're not in the right light. Right there you can kind of see it. This car's just covered in spots like that. Naturally, I have gone to school for body work, so the other side needs some minor body work on it. It's no big deal. But we're going to kind of keep this video short. Got the wife and kids coming in here in a little while, so I'm going to kind of get things ready to go and spend some time with them. I hadn't seen them in 3 weeks. And so we're going to kind of spend some time with them. You know, the other kids, they're all racing tonight. It's the last night for street stocks for a couple weeks, so the other kids are going out racing. I'm going to be home and enjoying family time. So I guess we'll go ahead and close this one out. I guess we'll see you guys later. God bless you and stay safe.